welcome to my channel Dhanashree classes. Today we are seeing Heart and Mind Life Skill 3rd Standard. In last video you see the chapter number 8 that answers I tell to you. You can see here 10th chapter united the feeling of oneness. Last time I tell you the question answers of this and some across and down some word puzzle. You remember that? Then today we are taking the chapter number 11. Don't be greedy. So let's start the video. The first question in our book is answer the following question. What do you mean by the greedy? Greedy means wanting more and more. How is greedy harmful? It is an evil which slowly destroys peace of a mind. What did the Rocky get from his master? His master gave him a juicy bone. What happened when Rocky started barking at his own reflection? He started barking. The moment he opened his mouth, the bone fell into the pond, disappeared. Rocky became very sad. He became very sad and unhappy. Then next question, what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Greedy is an evil. It ruins you character and happiness. So today I tell you the chapter number 11. Chapter number 11. Don't be greedy. So please subscribe our channel. Like, share and subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon near the subscribe button. You will give every video we update we upload in YouTube. Thanks for watching.